Fab 1, the timing and the appropriateness of this DCT campaign is just impeccable. Discipline, change management, and teamwork, plus speed of execution are the essential ingredients for Fab 1 to meet our future challenges. As you all know, we have been talking about wanting or setting the goal for Fab 1 to become the best Fab there is. We want Fab 1 to be the benchmark. We want to achieve leadership in operational excellence. Along this line, it takes a lot of discipline, a lot of managing change, and a lot of teamwork in order to accomplish all these challenging goals. So everyone is expected to be counted on to deliver. Thank you very much.
Sabay-sabay nating harapin mga pagsubok sa mundo. Gagawin ang nararapat ng bukas sa loob mo. Magsama-sama tayo, magtulong-tulong tayo, gagawin ang pagbabago. Halina kaibigan, kilos na kaibigan. Dahil pabang kasabay nating harapin mga pagsubok sa mundo. Gagawin ang nararapat ng bukal sa loob mo. Magsama-sama tayo, magtulong-tulong tayo, tanggapin ang pagbabago. Halina kaibigan, kilos na kaibigan. Halina kaibigan, kilos na kaibigan. Halina kaibigan, kilos na kaibigan. Dahil Fab 1 natin to.